'Cause I don't dance. Here I am, spinning you round and round in circles. It ain't my style, but I don't care. I'd do anything with you anywhere. Yeah, you got me in the palm of your hand, girl, 'cause I don't dance. Hey everybody, this is Blaze with Blaze Guitar Lessons. Today I'm going to teach you how to play I Don't Dance by Lee Brice. So, real quick, everyone who's subscribed lately, not just lately, the whole time, thank you so much. I seriously really appreciate it. To those of you who haven't, I would ask you to please subscribe if you find these videos, these tutorials and lessons useful, okay? So let's get right into it, all right? Standard tuning, capo on the first fret, okay? Let me know, by the way, in the comments if you guys would like me to include like links to the capo that I use or just to different capos you can get, because I can start doing that in the description if you would like, okay? So the chords that you're going to use for this song, you're going to use C and F. And if you have a hard time with F, remember, I've said this in other videos, just do it like a power chord and then keep that middle finger down there, okay? So you don't have to bar it, just play the first string like that, okay? So it's almost exactly the same. You just wouldn't plug the very bottom strings, okay? So C, F, G. I think it's by far the easiest to use this G. So do G. All right. We are also going to use A minor. Okay. We're also going to use E minor. And we're going to use G over B. If you don't know how to do that, I think it's easy when you're switching in this song to just put your pinky finger on the 3rd fret, 3rd in relation to the capo, 3rd fret on the little E string, and then put your pointer finger up here on the 2nd fret on the A string, okay? So it's gonna be like that, all right? You're gonna only use that in the chorus. So, I'm gonna show you how this goes now. Now the strumming for this, and pay attention because I've got an extra tip, a bonus tip for you at the end of the video. So make sure you watch through to the end if you wanna see that, okay? So, the way that the strumming pattern goes, and it's not super difficult, but it's like if you're pretty new or if you're trying to sing at the same time and stuff, it's a little bit hard. And I don't like playing stuff I can't sing at the same time usually. So it's going to be down, down, up, 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 down. Okay, so just you see that down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down. So and then the way you're going to start the song at the intro is, now he just plays, I don't know if he's playing it or whoever, but on the album it is just C the whole time because they've got other stuff playing over it. Okay, so there's two different ways you can do this on the intro. You can either just play C for a little bit and then just start, but you'd want to do it only like 2 measures or something, so pretty short. I'll never settle down. Okay, so you'd probably want to play it about that long. So it'd be the down, down, up, down, down, up, down. So you might want to do down, down, up, down. You'd probably do that like two times, maybe 3, if you're only going to play C. Or if you want to do a little bit longer intro, you can go C, F, G, C. Okay? So you could do that down, down, up, 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 down. Okay? So you can do either one of those for the intro. Just whatever you think sounds better, whatever floats your boat, okay? So then when you play the chorus, or sorry, the verse, those are the chords you're going to use in that order, okay? You're just going to do C, okay, F, G, C. So it's I'll never settle down. That's what I always thought. Okay, and then you just do it again, C, F, G. Now you on anyone, just ask anyone. Okay, and you're gonna do a little bit extra. 'Cause I don't dance. And then you go right into the chorus. Okay, so the verses are very short in this song. Actually, so is the chorus. So for the chorus, you're gonna use different chords. You're gonna do C, then G, then A minor, then C. Then next, you're going to do G over B, which remember is like that. So it's not too difficult to go from that C because your pinky's kind of already down here. So you just put your pinky on and move that finger over. Okay, this isn't touching. So like that. So G over B, and then you're going to go back to A minor, and then E minor, G, C. Okay, now the way that's going to sound is because the strumming pattern is a little bit different in the chorus here, okay? So the way that's going to sound is you're going to do, 'cause I don't dance. So dance is where you start doing C. Dance, here I am. Am is G, spinning you round. Around is A minor. Round in circles, they my style. Style is C, but I don't care. Care is G over B. I do and so anything is A minor. Anything with you anywhere. Yeah, you got me. So then you just, if you're using your finger, just do down with your middle finger. That makes it easy, sound like louder and more pronounced. You can do, yeah, you got me by the palm. Yeah, you got me. So got is where you do E minor. Got me by the palm of your hand. Hand is G, like kind of like right after. And on those two, you're just doing the single strums down, okay? And then you're gonna go, 'cause I don't dance. And on dance, you're gonna start doing this again. And here they play it through it a little bit, but you can just kind of do it like, I wouldn't do it as long as they do in the song because it's too long for you just to be playing by yourself. So you could just do the same thing you did at the beginning. So you could do C, and then F, G, and then just go into it. Love's never come my way. Okay, so you could do that, or you can do C, F, G, C, and then start into it. Okay? Love's never come my way. So you could do that too, okay? So, for those of you who have patiently waited till the end of the video, here is my tip for you, okay? If this strumming pattern is too hard to play and sing with, because it's a little bit trickier, if it is, the other way that you can strum this is just straight down. So you just do down, 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 down. Okay, so you could do that. Now remember, you will want to do different parts louder. You want to do the verses, the guitar will not be as loud. Same with your singing, won't be as loud typically. But then the chorus, it will be louder, the guitar and everything, okay? So you'd be like, so 'cause I don't dance, here I am. That's not right. Dance, here I am, spinning you round and round. Okay, so you want to play it louder, whereas in the verses you'd be like, I've never loved anyone. So you do it like more quiet, okay? So that is the song. Super easy, super great. Just love this song, okay? So let me know if you have any questions in the comments, and if you have any requests for other songs you'd like me to teach next. Thanks, guys. I hope you guys are doing great and that you're all safe right now. And I'll talk to you soon.